Imagine this. Every morning at 7 a.m., a mysterious bank deposits $86,400 into your account. No strings attached. Just one rule. Whatever you don't spend by night disappears forever. You can't save it. You can't return it. Now tell me, if you really had that kind of account, what would you do with it? You'd probably go after the things you've always wanted, right? You wouldn't waste a second because you'd know that every second counts. But here's the bitter truth. You already have that exact same account. Only this time, the currency isn't money, it's time. Every morning, without exception, 86,400 seconds are deposited into your life account. But unlike money, this account makes no sound, no notification, no message. It flows in silence and burns away in silence. And the worst part? You don't even notice. You scroll endlessly, wasting those seconds on a glowing screen as your time burns away quietly, as if it never existed. Every time you say just 5 more minutes, you're burning $300 from your time account for nothing. When you say, "I'll start tomorrow," you're signing a blank check to destroy today. And the cruelest part? No one knows their balance. Some have years left, some have days, but most of us act like it'll never run out, like we're immortal, like we still have time. And that is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. There's still time. But what's the truth? There are people who made plans for later and never made it there. Life doesn't wait for anyone. If you don't spend your today, there's no tomorrow to withdraw from. Part 2. The illusion of having time. Most of us live under one deadly belief: I have time. It's a simple thought that destroys millions of lives. Because as long as you believe time is infinite, nothing feels urgent. We wake up saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. And one day you wake up and realize that tomorrow never came. We say, "I'll start eating healthy tomorrow." But that tomorrow comes when we're staring at old pictures saying, "I wish I'd started sooner." We say, "I'll start working out on Saturday." But Saturdays come and go, and we're still the same. We say, "Someday I'll chase my dreams." But that someday is a mirage. The closer you walk, the further it moves. No one ever knows when the last day of having time will be. People realize the value of time only when there's nothing left to lose. We always think there's still a chance to make up for it, until there isn't. Spark. Part 3. Time thieves. Think about it. How many times have you said, "Let me just check my phone for a minute," and that minute turned into an hour? Social media is designed like a casino. Every scroll, a gamble for a reward, a like, a video, a tiny hit of dopamine that says, "Just one more." But one more never ends. And then there are energy thieves, those people who drain you every time they talk to you. They don't just steal your time, they steal your energy. And your energy is the fuel that powers your time. The biggest mistake we make is thinking time is only wasted on useless activities. But often it's wasted in silence, with the wrong people, with the wrong thoughts, and with the illusion of resting while our life quietly passes by. Idea. Part 4. How to stop wasting your life. The secret to saving time isn't in grand plans. It's in small daily actions. Here's a mental weapon. The 5-minute rule. Your brain loves procrastination. When you say, "I'm not in the mood," it's just your brain running from the pain of starting. But that pain only lasts a few minutes. So tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes to read. Just 5 minutes to move. Just 5 minutes to start. And here's the magic. Once you start, the resistance fades. Those 5 minutes turn into 30, then 60, and finally a deep sense of pride. Starting is always the hardest part, but one small start can break your brain's resistance. The truth is, no one spends money without purpose, yet most of us spend time like it's worthless. Before you say yes to anything, ask, is this worth 1 hour of my life? If the answer is no, then saying no is the bravest thing you can do. Spend your time like gold, not like money, because time can never be replaced. A no to others is often the biggest yes to yourself. One day you will wake up and realize you're out of time. But if you're watching this video right now, it means you're still breathing. You still have a chance to change direction. So let me ask you one question. If you knew you had only 1 year left, what's the first thing you'd do tomorrow?